So got the wastegate out, guys. Here's the original one. That's the nut that goes to it right there. But anyways, so here it is. I bought mine from mall.com. It comes with this adapter. You can honestly get these at any hardware store. Let's be honest. Just a little adapter here, and 2 nuts, and then a little screw. Because here, I'll show you. The actual length of it is shorter. It's an Audi actuator compared to a Volkswagen for the OEM one. And so they use this one, and they need an adapter to extend the length to actually fit onto the IS38 or IS38 hybrid turbo, whatever uses the IS38 wastegate. And so you just put it in, and then you get your length. And then from there, I think you put this piece in first, right here. Right here. And then you attach that to your little clip that the wastegate screws into, the little clip that's on the turbo itself. And I don't know the term, what it's called. And then you screw the wastegate into it, and then you adjust it from there. And that's all you do. So pretty neat. I'm hoping this works. But that's how you basically take out an actuator from a turbo on the Mark 7 GTI. And a lot of the dealers will just say, you got to replace the whole turbo. And I'm like, no, but you can replace the wastegate. But they don't want to do that because, number one, they either don't know that. Number two, they're not allowed to make those kind of decisions because they have warranty issues and all sorts of stuff like that. Or they just don't want to let you know that. And even going to like independent shops, I had a hard time like just finding people saying, kind of knowing what they're talking about. Like a lot of them just say if it's a wastegate issue, you have to replace the whole turbo, and they have no idea that the wastegate can actually be replaced on its own. So they can be replaced on its own. You just need to find the time to do it. Have a couple buddies and or something like that, you know, have the tools ready. It can be an easy job or a hard job depending on the tools. Learned that out the hard way last time. We probably took this off in what, 40 minutes, 30-40 minutes. And this time, because we know what we were doing and we had the tools. But last time it took us it was a 5 or 6 hour job. It was ridiculous because we didn't have the tools. We didn't know exactly what we were getting ourselves into. And then trying to figure out the adapters and stuff like that was it was a nightmare. So this time around, it's a lot easier. But it can be done. Some people have done it from the top. I don't know how to do it from the top by taking the intake and the turbo inlet pipe and stuff like that off. I'm not really sure how to do it from the top. I'm sure you can do it from the top. It might be even a little easier, but this is the way that I know how to do it. So just want to let you know that it can be done. And so once I have it installed, I'll do another video and put it into this one. All right. Talk to you later.